Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Nareshri from Brain Booster Institute. Thanks for watching our channel. So, this is second video of important question term one examination preparation. So, first video has been already uploaded in the our YouTube channel. Please watch it again if you don't watch here. So, this is the continuation of first video. So, please friends, please support me by subscribing our channel now. So, let us go to the part 2 video now. Now, important question for term one examination part 2. Let us go to that. Now the first problem is if xy is equal to 180 and HCF of x comma y is equal to 3, then find the LCM of xy. So very simple, my dear friends. Here x comma y both are the numbers here. If x comma y both are the numbers, then he has given the product of xy. The product of xy is equal to x into y. Now that is equal to 180. Now HCF he has given us 3 and LCM here we need to find here. So we know children, we know, my dear students, my dear friends, the relation among two numbers and their HCF and LCM. We know the children HCF into LCM is equal to the product of x and y, isn't it? So the children see, let us substitute these values here. Now H has given us 3. We need to find L means nothing but LCM. So, and also product of x and y has given us 180. Very simple. Now let us find the LCM value, children. Now 3 send that side. Now 180 by 3. Now 3 ones, 360s. Now L is equal to 60. Means the LCM is 60, my dear friends. So option A is an absolutely correct answer now. Now, let's go to the next problem. If the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x squared minus 9x plus k is 2, then the value of the k is how much? If the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So children see, we know that the relation among zeros of the quadratic polynomial alpha comma beta and as well as coefficients of the quadratic polynomial a, b, c. We know the children see two relations alpha b plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Got it? So as he has given the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, we need to take here alpha into beta. So therefore alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Now alpha into beta, the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x squared minus 9x plus k is equal to 2 as given, so that is equal to. Now let us pick up the values of c by a values, children. So this is a value here. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 9 and c is equal to k. How do you get these values? By comparing the given quadratic polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c. By comparing given quadratic polynomial with this general form of quadratic polynomial, we get ABC values. Now let us substitute, my dear students. C is equal to k and a is equal to 3 and is equal to g. Now k is equal, just a 3 shift to the say 3 to the 6, that's it. Now k is equal, the 6 is final answer. So option C is correct. So the finding the value of the k is the most important in the quadratic polynomial, children. So it's a different strategy, different way of asking this here. So you may ask instead of word, you may ask sum also. So please practice this type of the problem also. And the next, let us go to the next problem now. Third one. If the pair of linear equations 3x minus 2y is equal to 3 and 6x plus ky is equal to 8 that doesn't have a solution, then the value of the k is dash. It's very simple. We learn the three strategies. The strategy one is unique solution. Whenever they have the unique solution, when the ratio between their coefficients are not equal, b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, they will have the unique solution. Means they will intersect in a point. Now the strategy number 2, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Means in this strategy, they will be parallel, means they don't have any solution. So no solution here. And the strategy number 3, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So in this strategy, they will coincide each other. Whenever two lines coincide each other, they will have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So this will, as per this problem, the second strategy we had to use here. So my dear friends here, compulsory you will get the problem from this strategy. So please go through this here. So let us use this strategy now. So as they don't have any solution, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. I'm taking now. Now A1 by A2. Here A1 is 3 and A2 is equal to 6 and B1 is minus 2 and B2 is K. Now let us cross multiplication. Now 3K is equal to 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Now K is equal to minus 12 by 3. Now 3 ones, 3 fours. Then we get here minus 4 is an absolutely correct answer. Then option D is correct answer now. Now let us go to the next problem. In the triangle ABC, D and E are the points on the side AB and AC respectively such that DE is parallel to BC. If AE is equal to 2 centimeters, AD is equal to 3 centimeters, and BD is equal to 4.5 centimeters, then the length of C is how much? So my dear friends, see, so let us draw the triangle now. This is the triangle. This is a triangle. And let us take the 2 points on AB, means ABC first of all. Now what I am saying here, D comma E are the points on the side AB and AC. So I'm taking the 2 points on AB and AC. The point on AB is D and the point on AC is E. So how we have to take D and E points, children? Such that D is parallel to BC. So let us join this, children. So D is parallel to BC. So we know very well. So whenever this line is parallel to this line, means in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to the third side, that line divides other two sides in the same ratio. So you know pretty well. This theorem is called as BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, or Thales theorem. So by BPT children, so we know children, this line divides this AB and AC in same ratio. Means AD by BD is equal to AE by CE or AC. Very good. Now AD by BD is equal to AE by ACE. Now let us substitute these values, my students. AD is equal to 3 and BD is equal to 4.5. This is all given in the question. And AE also given. AE is equal to 2 centimeters. Now 2 by CE. That's it. Now let us cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication, and CE into 3 is equal to 3 CE and is equal to 2 into 4.5 is equal to 9. Now CE is equal to 9 by 3. 9 ones, 3 ones, 3 3 is a 9. So CE is equal to 3. Then option C is an option B is absolutely correct answer now. Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. So if you have any doubts, so you can message me directly, my students. 7989804600. So you can directly send you the WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is here. Now let us go to the next problem. The probability of getting blacking when a card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of cards here. It's very simple. So totally there will be the 52 cards. These 52 cards will be divided into the 4 sets. Means first 2 sets are black sets and the next 2 sets are red sets. Okay. In each set, there will be 13 cards. We know that. 13 cards. So in each 13 cards, so there will be the black king and here also black king and here red king and red king. We know children. So means we have the all the numbers from 1 to 10 and as well as face cards also jockey, queen and king and as well as yes children. So totally 13 cards will be there. So totally by seeing this structure, then we can understand that there will be 2 black kings here. So these 2 blacking is nothing but it is number of favorable outcomes of getting blacking is equal to, because there are only 2 blackings here. And total number of outcomes is 52. Total number of outcomes is equal to 52. So it's very simple. Now probability of getting blacking is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Now what do you get children? Number of favorable outcomes is 2 and total number of outcomes is 52. Now 2 ones to 26. The final answer is 1 by 26. So what is correct option? Option C. Okay. Now next, let us go to the next problem now. If point P x comma y divides the line segment the points A minus 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 2 such that AP is equal to BP, then the coordinates of P are. It's a very simple, my dear students. So yes, given that AB is the line segment, this is the AB line segment, and A is minus 2 comma 5 and B is 3 comma 2. And let us assume the point P x comma y here, for example. So the P point dividing the AB line segment internally, such that AP is equal to B. So children, see, we know the section formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, now comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is internal section formula. The children, see, if you assume here x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, we need to find the value of m comma n, means this is the ratio. So by using this strategy, we are going to find the image to n ratio. Then what he has given, AP is equal to 2BP. Now BP is in this side, AP by BP is equal to 2 by 1. Got it? Now AP is to BP is equal to 2 is to 1. This is children. Therefore, M is to N is equal to 2 is to 1. Let us substitute M and N values here and x1, x2. Now M is equal to 2. Here M is to N and 2 into x2. What is the value of x2, my dear students? Into 3 plus n, 1 into x1 is minus 2 by 2 plus 1, comma, m is again 2, y2 is 2, and plus n is 1 into y1 is 5, and by 2 plus 1. It's very simple. Now 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 by 3, and 2 is a 4, and 4 plus 5, 5 on the 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 3, 3 ones, 3 3s, here will be cancellation, my students. Then we get here 4 by 3, comma 3. This is final answer. The final answer is option is A. Okay. So very simple. By using this strategy, we found the M is to N ratio. Then directly those values we substituted in this formula. Got it? The next, let us go to the next problem. Problem 7. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 minus 3 into root 2, 5 plus 3 into root 2. Then we need to find the quadratic polynomial, my dear students. So we know well the formula to find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha comma beta. Now, the formula is x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. This is the formula to find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha comma beta. So children, to find this, first we must find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So let us see children, this is alpha and this is beta. Now let us find alpha plus beta first of all. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5 minus 3 to 3 into root 2 plus 5 plus 3 into root 2, my dear students. Now, if you see then, is there any cancellation here? Yes, there is cancellation, minus 3 into root 2 plus 3 into root 2. Now, the final answer is equal 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So, we got alpha plus beta is equal to 10. And let us find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to 5 minus 3 into root 2 and 5 plus 3 into root 2. It's a very simple, children. See, here if you see then this is the form of a minus b into a plus b. Now a minus b into a minus a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, means 5 square minus 3 into root 2 whole square. Very simple. Now 5 is a 25 minus 3 into root 2 whole square, means 3 is a 9 and root 2 whole square means square and root get cancelled. 9 2 is a 18. Now 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. So we got alpha into beta and alpha plus beta, my students. It's a very simple here. Now let us substitute this all the values here. Now x square minus x of alpha plus beta, how much did we get here? That is 10. Now 10 plus alpha into beta is equal to 7. That's it, children. This is the final answer. X square minus 10x plus 7. So which option is correct here? Option B is correct option. Okay. Now this is children. Now let's go to the next problem. If root 3 into sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0 and 0 degrees less than 90 degrees is less than 9, theta is less than 90, then value of cot theta. It's a very simple, my students. So the given that root 3 sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, where theta lies between 0 and 90, then we need to find the value of cot theta. So very simple, children. Let us simplify the first given equation now. Now to simplify, root 3 sine theta I am writing here, and minus cos theta send this side, it becomes here plus cos theta, isn't it? Now cos theta send this side, root 3 send this side, children. By sending cos theta here, what do you get here? Sine theta by cos theta. Now is equal root 3 send this side, it becomes here 1 by root 3. Any doubt? Now sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. It's a very simple, children. Now what do we need to find? We need to find the cot theta value. Cot theta value. Now we know, children, cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now here 1 by root 3. Now that would be the answer is root 3. That's what the option A is correct answer. Okay. Children, see, sometimes he may ask, instead of asking cot theta, he may ask theta value. Theta value. Got it. So, or else he may ask some another trigonometry, so sec theta, cosec theta, or sine theta, like this he may ask you. So whenever he asks another trigonometric ratios or theta value, children, first we need to find the theta value first of all. How can you find theta value? Here, if you see here, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Now tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 means 1 by root 3 means tan 30, isn't it? So for that, for theta 30, theta is equal to 30, then tan will be equal to 1 by root 3. There, theta is equal to 30 degrees. That's it. By removing the tan from both sides. It's very simple. Now by using this theta value, we can find sine theta, sec theta. For example, if we ask sec theta, then secant 30. Secant 30 is equal to how much? 2 by root 3. Right? If we ask sine 30, then we can write 1 by 2. That's it. So whenever he asks. Okay, as he asked us cot theta value directly. So as it is, there is direct relation between tan theta and cot theta, so we use it here. Okay, I think you might understand, children. If you don't, children, please kindly message me in the WhatsApp. Now, next, how many decimal? Sorry, if three bells ring at an interval of 4, 7, 14 minutes, all the three bells rang at 6 a.m. Then when three bells, if three bells ring at an interval of 4, 7, 14 minutes, all three bells rang at 6 a.m. When the three bells will ring together. Here, bells here, down, not balls. Okay, right. So the children see very simple in this form problem. 4, 7, 14 means there are three bells here, children. Three bells. In these three bells, first bell rings in 4 minutes, every 4 minutes, and every 7 minutes, second bell rings, and every 14 minutes, third bell rings. My students. Okay. Now, as three bells rang at 6 a.m. together at the same time, but we need to find at what exact time again three bells together rings together next. Means after 6 a.m. Means after 6 a.m. means children, this compulsory, it must be the common multiple of 4, 7, 14. So that let us, we need to find the LCM of 4, 7, 14. Therefore, LCM of 4, 7, 14 is, let us find the LCM of 4, 7, 14. 2 2s are 4 and 7, 2, 7 the 14. And again 7, 2, 7, 1, 7. That's it. Now 2, 7 the 14, 14 2 the 28. 28 would be the LCM, children. Therefore, after 28 minutes, again these three bells will ring together next year. Means already they rang at 6 a.m. Again, next 28 minutes they will ring. Means what would be the correct answer again? 6:28 a.m. So option B is an absolutely correct answer. Now let's go to the next problem now. So before the children, so you must prepare this type of the problems, children. So so please concentrate on this problem. Okay. And next, please kindly watch our channel regularly. So we are posting regularly, children. So please kindly watch the previous problem, previous video also if you don't watch. Okay. And also we have our separate application, children, mobile application. We can download for free study material, and as well as from premium course also we have many courses. So you can see that even 10th standard course also we have, children and students. So please kindly from the Play Store, you can search your MyScore application. Okay. So the MyScore application, please download this MyScore application and enjoy learning. Now, let us go to the next problem. Right, children, let us go to the 10th problem, the last problem. The probability of getting sum of the numbers on surface of the two die is 7 when two die are thrown at once. Children, see, we know that when two dice are thrown at once, we will have children number of total outcomes is equal to 36. We know very well, 36, 6 square. As in each dice there are 6 favorable or 6 outcomes here. So if two dice are thrown at once here, 6 square will be the total number of outcomes here. Now let us find the favorable outcome, children. What is an event to be get, children? Sum of the numbers on surface of the two dice is 7. Okay. For example, this is the dice 1 and this is the dice 2. Sum we need to get 7 minus 6. 7. Means, for example, if the dice surface of the dice 1 is 1, then to get 7 compulsory on the dice 2 we need to get 6 here. Dice 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now again, if on the dice 2 there is 2, then and the dice 1 is 2 then, and the dice 2 must be 5 children. And on the dice 1, if there is 3 then, and the dice 2 must be 4. Why? Because 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now let's tell me children, now 4, 3, and again 5, 2, and again 6, 1. So no more outcomes, my students. Therefore, the favorable outcomes is equal to 6. That's it. Therefore, the probability of some 7 is equal, then number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is 6. Total number of outcomes is 36. Now here is cancellation. 6 1 is 6. Now 6 is a 36. Then the final answer is 1 by 6. Right. So the children, so the this is the problems you may ask children. These are the important questions in term 1 examination Ncert CBSE grade 10th year. And please subscribe our channel if you like this video. Okay. Children, see, please share it to like your friends and neighbors and family members. Okay, and please stay tuned with our channel. So we will upload more videos of this practice of grade 10th and CBSE now. And also we have uploaded Vedic maths techniques also and arithmetic reasoning technique also. So you can watch the past videos, my dear friends. Okay, and so please don't forget to subscribe our channel now. So, and please children, so this all video also will be uploaded in our MyScore application. Please download MyScore application from the Play Store now. Right children, bye bye. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.